All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. Robert, you mentioned earlier that some people saw some pretty heavy rain. Repeat of that in places tonight?
Yeah, there is the chance again in the River Valley as we get toward dawn tomorrow morning. We had some rain earlier this morning, as you said. As rain and storms moved through, and we were left with a pretty quiet day. But Northwest Arkansas missed out again, and that's where we continue to see those abnormally dry conditions. Latest update from the drought monitor, folks. Still, Sequoyah County, the only part of our area still in a moderate drought. Everywhere else you see the yellow, the dry conditions. It's not a drought, but that's right on the doorstep of it. The next step forward or backward would be a moderate drought. So hopefully we get some rainfall in here. You can still see locations across Kansas, Nebraska, and Missouri dealing with extreme to exceptional droughts, but a good part of the country is in pretty good shape. You can see lots of rain and storminess straddling the Red River into Texarkana. Polk County also seeing some thunderstorms, but for us, just a couple of widely scattered showers and sprinkles as a front is draped across the area. You can see that here as we bring up the satellite and radar. This front really kind of almost stationary just north of the Fort Smith area. Behind it, more stable air, winds out of the northwest. The real instability is where we're seeing all the showers and storms to the south of that front. Puffy cumulus clouds in Springdale right now, looking towards some of those widely scattered showers across parts of Madison County, but 86 in Springdale. Most everybody here mid to upper 80s and one or two 90-degree temperatures. Puffy cumulus clouds, the shade coming and going across portions of Poteau and LaFleur County. 90 degrees right now in Poteau, but really all these numbers, they're below average by a few degrees. So I think most people will take it. Remember, a year ago, we were sweltering. Temperatures across the board were well above 100 degrees, so it can always be worse. Dew point's not too bad. Drier air just to our north, trying to work its way in. You can see the southerly winds to our south of the front, northerly winds just to the north, and those two are kind of fighting with each other right where that front comes together. Now tonight we should be mostly quiet. Can't roll out an isolated shower or storm before sunset. Things really quiet down till about 3, 4, 5 a.m. Then the next thunderstorm complex rolls in here. And again, take everything you see here with a real grain of salt because the models have really been struggling with the exact placement and strength. But there could be rain and storms tomorrow morning, especially south of Interstate 40. I think more scattered variety stuff for Northwest Arkansas. Regardless, most of it's in and out by late morning Sunday. We'll see clearing after that, and then really a nice Sunday shaping up for the most part. High pressure builds in, cools us down. A pretty cool Monday. Look at mid to lower 60s in Northwest Arkansas in July. That is very, very rare. Tonight into early tomorrow morning, best chance for severe weather south of I-40, but once that system moves through, the severe chances really fall off a cliff pretty substantially. So nothing to worry about once that system passes. 60s and 70s tonight, and really a cool day tomorrow, back into the 80s for our high temperatures. And you can see not too bad as we go through the next 7 days. It does warm up in a big way, though, by the middle and second half of the week, with temperatures back into the 90s. River Valley about the same thing. A stormy morning and then much more scattered variety showers and flirting with 100 by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Cameron is here. She's got all your Hog sports news as we get close to the MLB draft. All of that coming up in sports next.